So this is a tutorial video of Gotta Go by Chung Ha that we went through in my K-pop workshop on last Tuesday and Thursday in Arizona. We went through only the first chorus part, which is 8 sets of 8 counts. It wasn't that hard, it's a little bit fast, but it's really fun, and we just kept dancing again and again. Make sure you post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's get started. So first, we're gonna start with open our legs, shoulder width apart, and we're gonna clap twice, 7, 8. And after that, we're gonna go draw number 8 with both of your arms. Make a fist, and then left, right, left. Yes. And then your chest gonna go follow your arms. Left, right, left. And on 5, flip. When you flip your arms, take your left knee and face towards the left. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then touch your foot down. Cross your hands like this. Open your palms. Yeah, straight down. And then face front. Make a fist on your hands and hands on your hip, and we're gonna go down wave. Yes, this is the reverse wave. So we're just gonna bend our knees and the knee, hip, belly, chest, up. Yes. As soon as you take your hands on your hip, you're gonna go reverse wave. And when you come to top, bring your hands in front of your mouth. Something like this. And then next one, we're just gonna gradually extend your arms like this, and your legs is gonna be bended, and then we're gonna go hip circle, left, back, right, left, back, right. Yes, so it's gonna be a little bit faster. Down, down, down. Yes. After that, you're gonna go right, left, and up. Let's start from the top in a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, up, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, down, up. After that, you're gonna step with your right foot forward and back, back. This one, your legs just step front and step back. Your arms just like this. Relax on your arms, use your elbows like fish or noodle. Yes, so you're gonna step right with your right arm, and when you step back, your right arms go right, and the left arm, right and left arm. Yes, and then when you take your right arm, you're gonna bend your knees and hip to the right, up, down, up. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after that, put your feet together, hands on your hip, and then your right foot and the left shoulder go forward at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put your hands in front of your chest and up. Yes. Take right hand up, face up, bend your knees. Now we are halfway. Let's start over. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, hands up. After this, we're gonna step back again, and then your arms go like this. Tap, tap. Yes, in a count. Take your right hand on top of your head, through your face to the chest, and come to your hip. Yes, and then your left hand go opposite way. So start from the side, go up, and hands behind your head. On 7, bend your knees, and 8, face right. Your right hand is also flip, and up. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time, you're not gonna step front. You don't need to. You're just gonna use only your arms and side to side. after that, we're gonna step to the right and we're gonna go punch, 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 punch 4 times. Your upper body is kind of makes big circle like this, left, right, back. Yes, and then you're gonna punch to the opposite direction with your arms. So when you punch with your right arm, punch to the left, and punch to the right, punch to the left, punch to the right. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, you're gonna go hip circle, left, right, step. Yes, it's gonna be left, right, and a step to the left. Yes, and you can use your left hand, like release, and then step, step, and then use your right shoulder. Ha, yes, swing, swing, and put your hands together in front of your chest, and then use your neck. Ha, head accent, and that's it. Alright, so we kind of went through the second half a little early, so we're just gonna go back here, and then we're gonna go through again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now only your arms. Swing, 2, 3, 4. Now side to side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're gonna step to the right, and then we're gonna punch, 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 punch. Hip circle from the left to right, and swing or step, and step back, back, right shoulder, hands together, head accent. Alright, let's do the count. After this, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's start over. It's gonna be a little bit faster. We're gonna do in the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me. If you want to learn the K-pop choreography in person, I have a workshop every Tuesday and Thursday in Mesa in Arizona. So feel free to stop by and join our big K-pop community here. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!